In this video, I am going to talk about range of molecular force, second, sphere of influence, third, surface film, and free surface of a liquid. So I am going to discuss these four important things related to liquids. First, let us discuss about range of molecular force. Suppose it is a molecule, and this is another molecule, the molecule B and molecule A. The molecule B is long distance from molecule A. So molecule A cannot attract molecule B because it is very long distance compared to molecule A. But if I bring this molecule B little closer to B, then also not attracting. Suppose I bring the molecule B more little closer, then also it is not attracting molecule B. But if molecule B is brought this much closer to the A, then molecule A will attract the molecule B. So molecule A cannot attract molecule B if it is a long distance. But if molecule A and B are within some particular distance from each other, the distance of one molecule to another molecule is taken from center to center. We always measure the distance between the two molecules from center to center. So that is the intermolecular distance between the two molecules. If the molecule B brought in the range of molecule A, then what happened? The molecule A easily attracts molecule B. So this distance up to which the molecule A can attract the molecule B is nothing but called range of molecular force. So let us define range of molecular force. Maximum distance of a molecule which can exert a noticeable force of attraction or repulsion. So it can be both, either attraction or repulsion on other molecules, is called range of molecular force. Now, for example, here the figure A and the figure B. In figure A, both the molecules are at a distance of 100 into 10 raised to minus 9 meters. So there is no attraction nor the repulsion. But if I bring both the molecules A and B at a distance of 2 into 10 raised to minus 9, then they are influencing each other. A is able to influence the molecule B. So this distance of 2 into 10 raised to minus 9 can be called as a range of molecular force. Range of molecular force. So if you take both the molecules more than this distance, then there would be no attraction. But if you, as soon as you bring both the molecules at a distance of 2 into 10 raised to minus 9 meters, then they will attract each other or they will repel each other. So this distance is nothing but range of molecular force. Now the second one is the sphere of influence. Suppose it is a molecule A. Now this molecule A having the range, this is the range of molecule A. If you keep the molecule B anywhere here, anywhere on this circular path, it is not circle, it is a sphere. It is a three-dimensional object, three-dimensional structure. So it is a sphere. On this sphere, if you keep the molecule B anywhere, so it will attract, there is attraction or repulsion between the molecule A and B. So the molecule A and B will influence within or at the boundary of the sphere. But as soon as you take the B away from this spherical shape, there is no attraction between molecule A and B. So this spherical path is nothing but sphere of influence. Now what is sphere of influence? Sphere of influence is an imaginary spherical body, imaginary spherical structure, and this imaginary spherical shape in which A is the center, given molecule is kept at the center of this sphere of influence, and the radius is nothing but distance between molecule A and B. the distance AB nothing but range of molecular force. So by taking the range of molecular force as a radius, this sphere of influence is drawn. Why to study sphere of influence? By studying the sphere of influence, we can study the behavior of liquids and solids at micro level, at molecular level, at nanometer level. Now, definition of sphere of influence. Imaginary sphere, given molecule is at its center and range of molecular force as radius. So that spherical structure is nothing but called as a sphere of influence. Now the third thing is the surface film. Surface film is nothing but it is on the surface of the liquid. Surface film separates two medium. In this example, it is separating the liquid and air. So it is a boundary. Surface film is a boundary between the liquid and other medium. What should be the thickness of the surface film? Thickness of surface film nothing but range of molecular force. In this example, the distance between the layer xy and x dash y dash. So that is the thickness of the surface film. What is the definition? The definition is surface layer of a liquid whose thickness equals to range of molecular force is called as a surface film. Now last one is the free surface of a liquid. In this diagram, xy is free surface of the liquid. The free surface of the liquid exhibiting the property of surface tension. Surface tension means the top surface of the liquid try to minimize the surface area. So that property called as a surface tension. So free surface of a liquid has the property of surface tension. That is a very important property of the free surface. In this diagram, xy is the free surface. And one more important property, that is there is no shear force on the free surface of the liquid. That is shear stress equals to 0 for the free surface of the liquid. No shear force means what? So the free surface of the liquid is not pulled inside due to the cohesive forces, and it is not pushed outside due to adhesive forces. That means there are no external forces acting on the free surface. And very common property, that is the free surface is exposed to the surrounding.